Watch Yateem starting from 1st December, Sunday to Thursday, 7 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
First thing is my foundation, my base. Why do I have two? It's a very good question. It's because it's really hard for me to find the correct color for my complexion. So I usually get one dark one and one light one, and then I mix them together. And then I usually get the correct warm color which I need.
I started believing that my skin is not meant for primers because I tried all the primers from all the brands, and because we Indian fall in skin type 4, 5 and 6, I fall in 5, we are prone for pigmentation.
Watch What's in My Makeup Bag every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
Facial mist, because it's going to get really hot this summer. So I just carry a little mist which I can spray on my face.
I carry a perfume in my bag. This is one of my most favorite perfumes.
Watch What's on My Bag every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
I don't usually like to put foundation on my face for like an everyday routine, so I actually use a concealer. It's a liquid concealer, so it's actually easy to use. It's easy to put on. So you just put it on your under eye, and I'd actually tell you to wait for a minute because the best thing is it'll heat up because of the touch of your skin.
A good mascara. This is from Benefit. And guys who really wants a good mascara, this is your thing. I mean, just go and buy it और आपको कभी भी fake lashes लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
So yeah, I wash my face. I use this Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base after that. It's a really good moisturizing product. A light layer of this, not too much.
Watch What's in My Makeup Bag every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
I love mascara, and I particularly love this one. It's by Lancome. It's called Hypnose Drama because I have really long lashes. So if I just use a really good mascara, I don't really need to ever apply lashes.
So whenever I step out of the house, guys, I avoid putting any kind of foundation. So what I do is I have this tint with me. So I use it for my cheeks, I use it for my lips, and I'm done.
I love looking contoured, so I use the Fenty contour stick in truffle. And I like it because it's cream based. It's almost over, but it's cream based, so it kind of just like blends in yummily instead of powder.
Watch What's in My Makeup Bag every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
मेरे घर चलोगे कॉफी पीने के लिए?
Some other time. I have a flight to catch.
बादशाह तेरे साथ। Kill them.
आशा है कि आपकी यात्रा सुखद रही।
Watch Agent Vinod 31st May, Monday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
When Love Sonia released, people only offered me those gaon wali, those kind of roles, but I had to make sure that I did not take up those roles because I felt like I will be stereotyped. I was criticized for my weight a lot of times, but I feel that was for good. You know, as an actor, I think I need to be fit, I need to transform my body, and that particular role needed me to lose that kind of weight, so I just took it in a positive way.
Watch Women Up every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
सर वो हैप्पी भाग गई।
ये हैप्पी नहीं है। मैं हैप्पी हूँ, मगर वो हैप्पी नहीं हूँ। अगर ये हैप्पी वो हैप्पी है, तो हैप्पी कौन है फिर?
कौन है से क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
क्यों?
कहाँ है?
watch Happy फिर भाग जाएगी 18th May, Tuesday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
When I did Rockstar, I was a 13-year-old high school kid who was very passionate about studying and dancing and performing and being on stage. And out of the blue, literally, the casting director of Rockstar walked into my school and kind of saw me performing on stage and made me audition when I didn't even know what the word meant.
Watch Women Up every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
This was one of those few times where I was like, let's just skip math class. And whatever, she was like, yeah, let's just skip it. So we skipped it and we were like, okay, let's go to the health center where you can get a note saying you're sick. At the end of class, our sir came and he was like, where's your note? Why were you not in class? So we gave him this note from the healthcare center. But one thing we did was the timestamp. It said like 2:30 and we made dash like till 3 something. So that whole period was covered. It was just like a 5-minute thing. He was like, okay, he took it. Next thing we know, I called into the coordinator's cabin and she was like, we don't write this on our slips.
Watch No More Secrets every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
So I have this dress that's very special. A dress that fits me really well, It looks nice on me, it's warm. I can't stop like touching myself when I'm wearing velvet, so I absolutely love that. So, and yeah, I have a lot of memories with this dress. I really love it. It's the most comfortable dress.
Watch What's in My Wardrobe every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
I don't enjoy so much abuses and abusive content, below the waist humor. No racial slurs, no sexist comments, no slapstick is what I don't like.
Yeah.
So that is that. These are a few things we have in mind when we are making content.
Watch Women Up every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
ये मेरा भांजा है और ये मेरे साथ रहेगा।
कोई मुझे आपसे दूर नहीं लेकर जा सकता।
नदी में तैरना मैंने सिखाया, रिंग में खेलना मैंने सिखाया और अब मैं इसे शिकार करना सिखाऊंगा। आ जाओ सबके सब।
Watch Venki Mama 9 July, Friday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment. Like all magnificent things, they demand attention.
लड़कियों का समझ नहीं आता क्योंकि लड़कियों को समझा नहीं जाता।
They command respect.
लोगों ने इज्जत बख्शी, मैंने कबूल की।
And they get what they deserve. Watch Bollywood Beauties every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
So she has like this whole like I'm a cool girl attitude, okay?
I'm a cool girl.
But she's not cool.
I'm cool.
So basically, we were in like the 9th, 10th grade. She was in the 10th, I was in the 9th, and we had like this impromptu trip of going to London.
We have the worst luck with travel plans, like the worst luck. Every travel situation that we've been in together has always gotten messed up.
Watch No More Secrets every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
मैं मंगू खरबूजे बेचेगा
ना तो तू क्या करेगा? अरे छोड़ ना, हमें क्या लेना देना?
नहीं होती नौकरी यार मुझसे छोटी मोटी। अब पैसे देता नहीं है कारोबार के लिए।
हाँ तो एक ही मोहल्ले में रहते थे ना, इसलिए तेरे बारे में पता है। मैं चांद से थोड़ी ना आई हूँ।
अल्लाह ने चाहा तो जिस तरह उसे काम पर छोड़ने के लिए जाता है, इसी तरह एक दिन उसे डोली में बिठाकर छोड़ने भी तू नहीं जाता।
Watch Ishq Tera starting from 4th July, Sunday to Thursday, 7 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
वक्त ने मेरे साथ एक ऐसा मजाक किया है। मैं जैन की दुल्हन बनी थी, अब एक अजनबी शख्स के निकाह में हूँ। मेरे भाई ने मुझे बहुत लाड प्यार से पाला। वो मुझे तकलीफ में नहीं देख सकते और मुझे तकलीफ देने वाले को जिंदा भी नहीं छोड़ सकता।
शादी कोई गुड्डे गुड्डी का खेल है, जब चाहे राजी हो गए और जब चाहे इनकार कर दिया।
तुम उनके किए की सजा मुझे क्यों दे रहे हो?
Watch Ajnabi Humsafar starting from 4th July, Sunday to Tuesday, 7:45 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
So my hair is so straight. It's such a big problem because it's just like straight. So what I do is I have a bath, a hair bath. After that, I take this volume mousse, I put it on my hair and I just dry it. Then I get this sort of like a not so smooth hair sort of vibe.
And I have another favorite eyeshadow of mine. So whenever I want to like glam up, I go for like a shimmer. It does look very scary, but when you apply it on your skin, it's more like a darker nudie kind of a shimmer.
Watch What's in my makeup bag every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE.
मुझे तो ये काफी बार बोला गया है कि तुम हीरोइन तो नहीं बनो। मैं अमीर घर से तो नहीं आती, मेरी फैमिली मिडिल क्लास है, लोअर मिडिल क्लास थी उस समय। इनफैक्ट we were struggling. There were days when we did not have food, we did not know what to eat the next day. मुझे लगा था मेरा करियर खत्म क्योंकि I was dropped out of films.
Watch Untold Story every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
Well, when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do is do some cardio. After my cardio, I come back and instead of having a protein shake, how most of the people do after their workout, I like to have my breakfast, which is an omelette or egg bhurji with like 4 full eggs with a lot of vegetables and a lot of cheese on it. But no bread, no carbs in it.
I'm experimenting with being vegan right now, and I think that so far is working really well. I don't know if I'll be able to continue staying vegan or not.
Watch What I Eat in a Day every Wednesday, 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment. India's changing.
आप अपने बहू की शादी कहीं और करवा रहे हैं, आप अपने दामाद की शादी कहीं और करवा रहे हैं।
Breaking stereotypes.
जिसने तेरी होने वाली बीवी को प्रेग्नेंट किया वो मैं हूँ।
If you are an orthodox,
जब लड़का लड़की राजी तो क्या करेगा लड्डू?
get ready for the cultural shock.
सब गड़बड़ कर दिया, सब टोटल।
Watch लाली की शादी में लड्डू दीवाना 16th March, Tuesday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
I'm a private student. I don't go to college. I've never been to college. तो मैं घर से ही पढ़ाई करती हूँ। जो भी फ्रेंड्स हैं वो सारे इंडस्ट्री के ही फ्रेंड्स हैं। तो इस वजह से माय पेरेंट्स वर ऑलवेज वेरी श्योर कि यू नो वी हैव टू बी योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड। तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है जो मैं और अयान भी जो हम अपने मम्मी डैडी से शेयर नहीं करते या ये सोचते हैं कि अरे मम्मी डैडी है क्या सोचेंगे, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। हम लोग बिल्कुल फ्रेंड्स की तरह रहते हैं। कोई भी बात होती है हम एक दूसरे से शेयर करते हैं।
Watch Dear Mom every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.